In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new collection in Epic Games quickly and easily. This is a really useful way to organize your library, group your favorite games, and make it much easier to find what you want to play later. If you've got a growing game library, collections can save you a lot of time and keep everything neat and tidy. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the launcher is open, look over to the left side and click on the Library tab. This is where all of your owned games and installed titles are stored. Now, right below the Library heading, you'll notice a plus sign next to Favorites. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A small window will appear asking you to create a new collection. Here, type in the name you want for your collection. You can name it something simple, like Action Games, Multiplayer, Favorites, or anything that helps you stay organized. After entering the name, click Create to finish setting it up. And that's the first part done. Your new collection is now ready to use. Next, to add a game to that collection, hover your mouse over any game in your library. When the game options appear, click the three dots menu. From there, select Add to Collection. You'll now see a list of your collections. Just choose the newly created collection you made a moment ago, and the game will be added to it instantly. You can repeat this process for as many games as you want, which makes it really easy to sort your library by genre, playstyle, or whatever system works best for you. If you ever want to keep your launcher organized, this is one of the simplest features to use. So to recap, open the Epic Games launcher, go to Library, click the plus sign next to Favorites, name your collection, click Create, then use the three dots on any game and choose Add to Collection. It's that easy. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.